Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marvin Smith. I am the founder of Smith Bookkeeping Financial Services. As I mentioned prior, I will be talking in segments, and this is regarding to business startup checklists. What does this mean? This is a checklist for you or a guideline for any entrepreneur or anyone looking to start a business. So these are the guidelines in terms of the documents that you're going to need, the business, the legal structure of your business, even choosing a name, a bank account, professionals such as lawyers and accountants. But today I want to talk about the first segment, which is called Select a Name and Legal Structure. So the name that you are going to select, you can check with your local, state, county, or state government website for the name that you're going to choose, which is you want to make sure that name is available. So that means that what you're going to put in the name that you so desire to call your company, and you want to check the availability of that name, making sure that no other company or individual has that name. Okay, so that's what it means when it says select the name. And the second part says legal structure. Now, you basically have four choices when selecting a legal structure. The first is called a sole proprietorship. What is a sole proprietorship? This is an individual or entrepreneur who goes out and create a business under this first legal structure, which is called a sole proprietorship. So you're going to choose a name. Once you receive approval of that name, the second step you're going to do is you're going to contact the IRS or go to irs.gov, put in form SS4 for a 9-digit EIN, which is the acronym of Employer Identification Number. This is a 9-digit number, like your Social Security number, but this number is used what they call a tax ID number or a business ID number. So a sole proprietor, to go further into the discussion, a sole proprietor is an individual which is not separate from the business. So he or she responsible for all the income and all the expenses and all the debt that the business has accumulated over time. The second legal structure is a partnership, which means more than one person. And what is a partnership? More than one person. The third is called a limited liability company, which is the acronym for limited liability company is called LLC. And fourth, there are two components of a corporation. There's others, but I'm going to stick with the basic ones. One is called a C corporation, which is for many accountants or people familiar with this Form 1120. And the next one is called an S corporation, or what they call a subchapter corporation or a small business corporation. So what is a corporation? An individual or a group who are buying shares into a corporation. I'll say that once again. What is a corporation? An individual or a group who are buying shares into a corporation. Meaning that you don't own the corporation, because the corporation is a separate entity and you are the individual. So as I mentioned before, this is the first segment. The next segment is going to focus on what are the advantages and disadvantages in regards for taxes or tax preparation or tax filing. So as I mentioned before, remember, if you want to choose a name for your business, check your local county or your state government website to put in the name to make sure that no one else has that name. So for example, if you have the same name as someone else, it's going to let you know that. But it's very important to choose your name and make sure that name is available. And the second component is called the legal structure. Number 1, sole proprietorship. Number 2, partnership. Number 3, limited liability company. Number 4, corporations. And there's many corporations, but I'm giving you the 2 basic ones. One is called a C corporation, and the other one is called an S corporation. So as I mentioned before, my name is Marvin Smith. I am the founder of Smith Bookkeeping Financial Services. We provide accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, tax services for income tax preparation for individuals or business owners. We also provide QuickBooks consultation. For those who have the program or desire to learn QuickBooks, we offer consultation. And last but not least, we also offer business consultation for any entrepreneurs or anyone looking to go in business. So to reach us at info@smithbookkeepingfinancialservices.com or call us at 215-214-5660 or find us on the web at www.smithbookkeepingfinancialservices.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and also follow us on Instagram and even LinkedIn. So for everyone out there, have a blessed and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.